Hello friends, today let us see how to install SPSS 25 cracker version. So what you need to do is just click on any web browser. So click on this. I'm just clicking on any web browser. Click on my domain. So Bhaskar's domain. So if you click on Bhaskar's domain, you will see Google Sites. So click on this and you will get here. So tools, resources are there. So tools you click. And the moment when you click on the tools, you will see, if you scroll down, you can see the SPSS software here. So you can download from here. Otherwise, I am copying this. I'll paste it in the description box also. The link, you can go and click on the link. Directly you will reach this page. Then you click on this SPSS. Then it will take you to my drive where it is freely available and you can download the full thing. So you can see it is my drive. It's freely available to download. So you can see different things, crack, download, free, how to install and SPSS. So this SPSS 25 is what you have to download. Right click on the three dots. It will show you the download thing. You can just click on the download option. Then it will scan for viruses and it is a big file. So it will ask, so download anyway you click. It is 662 MB. So it will take some time. I am saving it in softwares and I am saving it. Okay. And it will show the downloading thing. So can you see it is downloading? So I'm not downloading it anyways. I have already downloaded it. So I'm not downloading. I'm canceling it. And after that download, you have to download the crack also the similar way. Crack. You also save the same crack folder in the same folder where softwares for my case. After that, I'm canceling this. So you can also download the here only. So I'm canceling the download anyways for now. So after that, what you need to do is go for the downloaded folder, that is Windows D softwares, SPSS 25, IBM, full crack and this which we have already downloaded. So click on this SPSS static 25 Win 32, double click on it. So when you double click, it will take you to one. Do you want to allow this app for unknown publisher? Yeah, you have to give yes, hardware setup. Then it will take a little few seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it will come here preparing to install. So let it finish preparing. Uh, After this, so you can see preparing to install. So after this, it will show one pop up. Just click on next without don't think anything. Otherwise, you can read and just click on next also, not a problem. And accept the licenses. Accept the license. Then go on next and let it install. So it will take no time to install. It will be installed very quickly. You don't need to worry about installation process of this. It will go very fast. You can see the moment we were talking, finishing the talk, it finished the installation. Then it will be shown a black window. Don't do anything, just keep quiet. It will do all the process by itself, returns to Python. So then you will get a finish, then click on the finish site, then that's it. After that, what you need to do is you close your browser and everything. So go to the same file where I downloaded the crack, right? So crack, it will be in zip file. So click on double time on the crack and again crack. How to install another and iServe VC is there. So copy this file, Control C, otherwise right click on it and copy. Go to the my PC or this PC, local disk C, program files x86. Can you see the process? This PC, local disk C and program files x86. There you can see IBM, SPSS, statistics, 25. Here, after reaching here, you have to paste it. Control V, otherwise manually right click on it and paste. So replace the file in the destination. Yes, click on it and then continue. It will replace the file. Remember, you don't need to copy this in the any of the above folders. It has to come down. Can you see here? It will come here. So after this, what you need to do is close these things and in the search bar, type IBM SPSS 25. Remember 25. Then double click on it. It will open automatically. So it will take some time to open, but it will open. Can you see? It is opening. Now When you are installing, after your installation process is done, you will see the same kind of license box, but uh, you will see the same kind of license box, but don't click on the license that time. Just click wrong, and then here you can see 3000 days of license it's been shown. Now I can use it for 3000 days for free. So I'll show once again this license page. So it will take some time whenever you open it. So it is the thing. See, can you see now? I can use it for 3589 days for free. So 3000 days of free SPSS now you can use. That's it. Thank you so much. Hope you got it something. So if you got something, like, share, and subscribe the video for the more updates. Thank you so much.